G1000A installation steps. This is an overview of the system components. Showing the system layout. These are the steps to install the G1000A fertigation system. First, place the pump on the ground. Next, mount the controller on the wall above the pump. Also, take the oil cap off and replace it with the orange oil cap. Next, install the suction and discharge fittings on the pump. They swivel to run the hoses, and only hand tighten the clamping nuts. Next, connect the motor leads from the controller, red to red, black to black, and green to green. Next, install the injection valve in the irrigation line. Use the blue thread sealer. Next, run the half-inch discharge hose from the pump discharge fitting to the injection valve. And secure the hose with hose clamps and use cable ties to secure the hose from moving. Next, run the flow sensor cable from the pump station flow sensor to the controller terminals marked wires, red to red and black to black. Next, install the suction hose from the tank to the manifold and the pump with the Y strainer in line. And secure with hose clamps. Next, plug in the power and test the fertigation in manual to see the motor run, and then switch to auto, and run irrigation water to see the pump run in auto, and stop when irrigation stops. Next, calculate the rate using the QR code and set the pump rate. Now you are ready to fertigate. Prime the pump with fertilizer, mark the tank level. Set the controller to auto and run a full irrigation cycle, then check the tank level to see if you hit your target for the fertilizer applied,